ideas of Ranga after returning from Bangalore. He told that so far he has not found out a girl whom he has to marry. He needs to find out right girl. That is one thing. The second thing, he told that a man should marry a girl he admires. And again he says that if the girl is very young, he says that he is not ready to marry her because she will not understand the emotion that is shared. Because when the husband talks in love, she may take it for anger and she will not be able to understand. That means there will be communication gap. Therefore he says that he needs to marry a girl who is matured. So the narrator adds here, one a neat fruit and other a bitter gourd. So both are bitter. That means if you marry a girl who does not know how to bite her fingers, or a girl who is not able to understand when he is talking in love, he said both are actually unacceptable. And Ranga agreed on that point. So now what the narrator feels, I was distressed that the boy who I thought would make a good husband and had decided to remain a bachelor. He was very unhappy. The narrator was not happy. He was distressed. He felt unhappy that he thought that this boy can become a good husband because he was a good boy, considerate boy. He knows how to say good morning, good evening or namaskara very nicely, not like the modern people. And also he can become service to society. He thought that he wanted him to get married and become service to society, but he decided to remain a bachelor. Bachelor, unmarried. The feminine gender of bachelor is spinster. If a girl is not marrying, you say that she is a spinster. If it is a boy, you say bachelor. But nowadays, bachelor is used for both. After chatting for a little longer and left, I made up my mind right then that I would get him married. So we have discussed up to here yesterday. Ramarau's niece, a pretty girl of 11, had come to stay with him. Ramarau, we already came across that the incident regarding the firewood, Ramarau's house. Now again, a pretty girl of 11 years old. When you say that 11 year, you don't think that she is very young in those days because this were the time when the child marriages were taking place. So Ranga said that he doesn't get married to a girl who is not matured. Now you may ask question, why a girl of 11 is matured or not? But the time has changed. Child marriage to 11 years, then to 15 years, then to 18 years, 21, like that. Okay, so taking that time into consideration, 11 year is not very young. She was from a big town. So this girl has come from a big town. So she knew how to play the veena and harmonium. She was having two qualities. She had a musical sense. She knew how to play veena and harmonium, two musical instruments. She also had a sweet voice. She knew how to sing. She was having a very attractive voice when she is singing. But what is the situation of this girl? Both her parents had died and her uncle had brought her home. She is practically without father and mother. Both her parents have died and her uncle has brought her home during holidays. Ranga was just the boy for her and she the most suitable bride for him. So the narrator thought that this girl is a nice girl. She is a suitable girl for the Ranga. Ranga is a suitable boy for the girl. So this is what the narrator thought. Since I was a frequent visitor to Ramarau's place, the girl was quite free with me. I completely forgot to mention her name. Ratna it was. What was the name of that girl? Ratna. Ranga, that is the name of the boy. The girl's name is Ratna. Now the narrator says that he was a frequent visitor to the house of Ramarau. Ramarau in the house is frequent at Povaranda. And because of that, this girl was very free with the narrator. The very next morning, I went to their house and told Ramarau's wife, I'll send some bitter milk for you. Ask Ratna to fetch it. When this narrator went to the Ramarau's house, he could have taken the buttermilk. Buttermilk means moran. but he did not take it. He had some plan in his mind. So he told Ramarau's wife that after some time you send Ratna, Ratna and Vidlake Viduga, and I'll send some buttermilk with her for your use. In village, people used to share things like that. Ratna came, it was a Friday, so she was wearing a grand sari. So as it was said, Ratna came and it was a Friday, and every day is special for a different kind of people. Friday, in their culture, it was a very important day for the unmarried girl. The unmarried girls, they go on fasting on different days in different places. Some people take on Monday, some people take on Friday, some people take a fast on Thursday. So here, it is a Friday and she was wearing a grand sari. A girl of 11 years wearing sari in those days. I told her to sit in my room and requested her to sing a song. So when she came, the narrator told that, asked her to sit in his room and asked her to sing a song. I sent for Ranga. Then after that, what narrator is doing is making a meeting between this Ranga and Ratna, because he had said that a man should marry a girl whom he admires. Now what's the quality this Ratna has got? Ratna has got the quality of singing well, and she has got a sweet voice. So he wanted that when Ratna is singing, Ranga should come and he should appreciate her, and then he should agree to marry this girl. That is the idea of the narrator. While she was singing the song, the name of the song, Krishnamurti in front of my eyes, Ranga reached the door. So while she was singing, Ranga reached the door. He stopped at the threshold. He did not want the singing to stop, but was curious to see the singer. Carefully, he peeped in. The light coming into the room was blocked. Ratna looked up and seeing the stranger there, abruptly stopped. So what happened is that he came and stood at the threshold. Threshold means vadikal vannu ninnu. He did not want to singing to stop because he is a stranger. He is not known to this Ratna. Ratna is not staying in the village. He is a visitor to the village only. So Ranga coming from Bangalore. So anyway, Ranga is not known to Ratna. So he didn't want to go inside and she should stop singing. In front of the stranger, Ratna may not sing. But at the same time, when he came to the door, he was very curious to see that who is singing such a beautiful song. ഇത്രയും സുന്ദരമായി പാടുന്ന ആരാണെന്ന് കാണാനുള്ള ഒരു ആകാംക്ഷ. So what he did, carefully he peeped in. അകത്തേക്ക് എത്തി നോക്കി. While he was just peeping inside, the light which is entering through the door was blocked. And suddenly, Ratna looked up. Seeing the stranger, she abruptly stopped. അയാൾ ഉദ്ദേശിച്ച അപകടം തന്നെ സംഭവിച്ചു. എന്താണ്? വേറൊരാൾ അവിടെ വന്നു എന്നറിഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ രത്ന പാട്ട് നിർത്തി. Now, the narrator's description you see, suppose you buy the best quality mango, you eat it slowly, severing its peel before biting into the juicy flesh. You do not want to waste any part of it. Before you take another bite, the fruit slips out of your hand and falls to the ground. How do you feel? Ranga's face showed the same disappointment when the singing stopped. He is an illiterate person, the narrator, but then he has got sense. He is telling that the mood of Ranga has changed. What was the mood of the Ranga? Suppose you purchase a best quality mango and you want to eat every bit of it. So what you do first is that first you take out the skin of that particular mango and you will eat or take the juice completely what is stuck to that skin. Then finally you want to eat the juicy flesh. അതിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിലുള്ള ആ മാങ്ങ അവസാനം തിന്നാനായിട്ട് കൈ പിടിച്ചിരിക്കുകയാണ്. But during the process what happened? The mango slipped to the ground and got dirty. You cannot eat it. So when it happens, what kind of feeling you will have? The same kind of feeling Ranga had when the singing stopped. എന്താണ്? പാട്ട് മുഴുവൻ ആസ്വദിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയാണ് അകത്തേക്ക് പോകാത്തത്. പുറത്തു നിന്ന് അകത്തേക്ക് എത്തി നോക്കിയപ്പോൾ ഈ എന്താ സംഭവിച്ചത്? മാങ്ങയുടെ തൊലി ആദ്യം തിന്ന് നല്ലത് നിലത്ത് പോയതിന് തുല്യമായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ഫീലിംഗ് ആണ് ഇവൻ ഉണ്ടായത്. സോ ദിസ് ഈസ് എ കമ്പാരിസൺ. So anyway, the girl has stopped singing. So he asked, you sent for me? He asked as he came in and sat in a chair. So Ranga went inside. He asked narrator, have you sent for me? എന്നെ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വരാനായിട്ട് ആവശ്യപ്പെട്ടോ? Ratna stood at a distance. Ratna was standing little distance, her head lowered. Imagine, he told that if the girl is very young, she will not even know how to bite her fingers. നാണം കുടുങ്ങാൻ അറിയില്ല. പെരുവിരൽ കൊണ്ട് ചിത്രം വരയ്ക്കാൻ അറിയില്ല. When a stranger comes in front of him, she will not know how to feel ashamed, means feel shy. The shyness of a girl or a woman, it increases her beauty. A bride, when she is just marching into the marriage hall, she will not put her head up. She will be putting her head down only, because that increases her beauty. Now here, this girl has lowered her head. That means one quality very evidently came out. But she is able to have a shy. She knows how to show shyness. And again, she has got a quality. What is that? Another quality, she knows how to sing, sweet voice. Ranga repeatedly glanced at her. അവളെ ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക് അവൻ നോക്കി. Once our eyes met, രണ്ടുപേരും അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും അറിയാതെ ഒരേ സമയത്ത് നോക്കിപ്പോയി. Their eyes met each other and he looked very embarrassed. So no one spoke for a long while. So once when Ranga was looking, Ragna also looked at the same time and he felt embarrassed. Why he was feeling uneasy? Because അവൻ്റെ കള്ളം പിടിച്ചു. അവൻ നോക്കുന്നത് അവൾ കണ്ടു. It was my coming in that stopped the singing, let me leave. Words were merely words. So Ranga suggested that ഞാൻ വന്നതുകൊണ്ടാണ് പാട്ട് നിർത്തിയെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ പോയിക്കോളാം. പക്ഷെ അവൻ പോകാനായിട്ട് മൂവ് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. He just simply sat and he was standing there. The fellow said he would leave but did not make a move. How can one expect such words to match actions in these days of Kali Yuga? Kali Yugam, കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാകും, Kali Yuga. The narrator says that you speak something and you act different things in the days of Kali Yuga. Now this is Kali Yugam and you cannot expect a person to behave according to his word. That means he says that he will go, but he was not going away. He doesn't want to go. Ragna ran inside, overcome by shyness. So Ragna felt ashamed and she ran inside. വീടിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിലേക്ക് ഓടിപ്പോയി. After a while, Ranga asked, who is that girl, Swami? So after some time, Ranga, he was not able to cover up his curiosity. He asked this narrator, who is that girl, Swami? Swami, ആ പെൺകുട്ടി ആരാണ്? He wanted to know. Who is that inside the lion wanted to know. The he-goat who had taken shelter in the temple replied, does it matter who I am? I am a poor animal who has already eaten 9 lions. I have vowed to eat one more. Tell me, are you a male or a female? The lion fled the place in fear, it seems. You might have heard a story. Here again, the narrator is comparing this girl with the he-goat. A he-goat, ഒരു ആട്ടിൻകുട്ടിയെ ഒരു lion ഓടിച്ച്. You find that sheep is just entering into a temple and taken the shelter inside. അകത്ത് നിൽക്കുന്ന ഷീപ്പിനോട് പുറത്തു നിന്ന് ലയൻ ചോദിക്കുകയാണ്, who are you? അപ്പോൾ അകത്ത് നിന്ന് ലയൻ പറയാണ്, I am a poor animal who had already eaten 9 lions. ഒരു ലയനോട് ഒരു ഷീപ്പ് പറയാണ്, ഷീപ്പിനെ കാണുന്നില്ല, അകത്തേക്ക് പോയി, ശബ്ദം മാത്രമേ കേൾക്കത്തുള്ളൂ. I am a poor animal who had eaten 9 lions. അപ്പോൾ പുറത്ത് നിൽക്കുന്ന ലയൻ, it will eat sheep or any other lower animals only. പക്ഷെ അകത്തിരിക്കുന്ന ശബ്ദം എന്താണ് പറയുന്നത്? ഞാൻ ലയനെ തിന്നുന്ന ആളാണ്. 9 ലയനെ ഞാൻ ഓൾറെഡി തിന്നു, ഇനി ഒരെണ്ണത്തിനെയും കൂടെ തിന്നാമെന്ന് ഞാൻ പ്രതിജ്ഞ എടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. നീ ആണാണോ പെണ്ണാണോ? ഇത് കേട്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോഴത്തേക്കും പുറത്ത് നിൽക്കുന്ന ലയന് പേടിയായി and it run away in fear. അപ്പോൾ അങ്ങനെ തന്നെയാണ് ഇവിടെ സംഭവിച്ചെന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. എന്താണ്? ലൈക്ക് ദ ഹീ ഗോട്ട് ഐ സെറ്റ്. ഹീ ഗോട്ട് പറഞ്ഞത് മാതിരി ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു. എന്താണ്? വാട്ട് ഡസ് ഇറ്റ് മാറ്റർ ഐദർ ഓഫ് us who she is? നമുക്ക് രണ്ടാക്കും അവൾ ആരാണെങ്കിലും എന്താണ്? കാരണം എന്താ? ഐ ആം ഓൾറെഡി മാരീഡ് ആൻഡ് യു ആർ ഇൻ ദി മാരിയിങ് കൈൻഡ്. ഞാൻ ഓൾറെഡി കല്യാണം കഴിച്ചു, ഇനി രണ്ടാമത് കല്യാണം കഴിക്കുന്നില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് അവൾ ആരായാലും എനിക്കെന്താ? നിന്നെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം you are not going to get married. So for you also, what is there? Whoever she is. Very hopefully he asked, she isn't married then? When he heard that the narrator is married and you are not going to get married, then very hopefully, പ്രതീക്ഷയോടെ, അപ്പം ഈ കുട്ടി കല്യാണം കഴിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. His voice did not betray his excitement, but I knew it was there. When he spoke, his excitement and his curiosity was very much evident. She was married a year ago. So the narrator simply said that she was married a year ago. ഒരു വർഷം മുമ്പ് ആ പെൺകുട്ടിയുടെ കല്യാണം കഴിഞ്ഞു. 11-year-old girl. She got married 1 year ago. His face shriveled like a roasted brinjal. When he asked the question, she is not married. അങ്ങനെ ചോദിച്ചപ്പോൾ അവൻ്റെ മുഖമെല്ലാം നല്ല പ്രകാശമായി വളരെ സന്തോഷത്തോടെ പ്രതീക്ഷയോടുകൂടിയാണ്. ബട്ട് വെൻ ഹി ഹേർഡ് ദാറ്റ് she was married a year ago, അവൻ്റെ പ്രതീക്ഷ മുഴുവൻ പോയി. ഹിസ് ഫേസ് ഷ്രിവൽഡ്, മുഖമെല്ലാം ചുക്കിച്ചുളിഞ്ഞ മാതിരി ഒതുങ്ങിക്കൂടി, ലൈക്ക് എ റോസ്റ്റഡ് ബ്രിഞ്ചാൽ. ഒരു വഴുതനങ്ങ ചൂടുള്ള വെളിച്ചെണ്ണയിലിട്ട് നമ്മൾ റോസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെ ചുക്കിച്ചുളിയുന്നോ അതേപോലെ അവൻ്റെ മുഖത്തിൻ്റെ സന്തോഷം മാറി. After a while, Ranga left saying, I must go, I have work at home. So after some time, he said that I must go, he has got some work, and like that, Ranga went away. Now, you see the narrator what he is doing. Why he said the girl is married and all that, we will know at the end of the lesson. I went to our Shastri the next morning and told him. Shastri എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അസ്ട്രോളജറാണ്. പണ്ട് കാലത്തെ എല്ലാ കാര്യങ്ങൾക്കും പോയിട്ട് അസ്ട്രോളജറെ കൺസൾട്ട് ചെയ്യാറുണ്ട്. So he just went to the Shastri and told him in the morning, keep everything ready to read stars. I will come later. I tutored him in all that I wanted him to say. There is a criticism in this particular line. ശാസ്ത്രിയുടെ അടുത്ത്, അസ്ട്രോളജിയുടെ അടുത്ത് ആദ്യം ചെന്ന് പറയുന്നു, ഞാൻ ഒരാളെ കൂട്ടിക്കൊണ്ട് വരും, ആ ആളുടെ മുമ്പിൽ നിങ്ങൾ ഇന്നതെല്ലാം പറയണം. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് മേക്കിംഗ് ഫൺ ഓഫ് അസ്ട്രോളജി. അസ്ട്രോളജി ഈസ് എ സയൻസ്. അറ്റ് ദ സെയിം ടൈം ദർ ആർ മെനി പീപ്പിൾ ഹു ആർ പ്രാക്ടീസിങ് അസ്ട്രോളജി ഫോർ മേക്കിംഗ് മണി. അവർ നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞു കൊടുക്കുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങൾ യാതകം ഒത്തിട്ടില്ലേ ഒപ്പിച്ചു തരും, കൂടുതൽ കാശ് കൊടുത്താൽ മതി. And whenever some kind of stars are not favorable to you, you go to them, they will give you some kind of rings and say that you wear it and then everything will be all right. അപ്പോൾ അങ്ങനെയുള്ള പൈസ സമ്പാദിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി ചെയ്യുന്ന ആൾക്കാരുണ്ട്. So we don't say that astrology is not based on science. It may be based on science, but then there are many fraud people are there. അപ്പോൾ അവരെ കളിയാക്കിക്കൊണ്ടാണ് പറയുന്നത്. കാരണം രംഗയെക്കുട്ടി അസ്ട്രോളജറുടെ അടുത്ത് പോകുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് the narrator already went to him and tutored him. Tutored എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ, പറഞ്ഞു പഠിപ്പിക്കുക. When I come with him, you should say this, because he is manipulating the situation. The narrator wants to make an arrangement with Ranga to marry Ratna, and so that he is increasing his curiosity, because the boy said that he is not going to get married, and he wanted to make him say that yes, he is ready to marry Ratna, and for that he is making all these arrangements. I found no change in Ranga when I met him that afternoon. So the afternoon he went to Ranga. In the morning he went unhappy because learning that the girl was already married. Afternoon when he met him, he found that he was in the same mood. So he just asked him, what is the matter? You seems to be lost in thought. I said, നീ എന്തിനെക്കുറിച്ചോ ചിന്തിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണെന്ന് എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു. Because the narrator knows very well that he is thinking about Ratna. Nothing wrong, believe me. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലുള്ളത് ഹൈഡ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ടുള്ളപ്പോഴാണ് നമ്മൾ വീണ്ടും റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് പറയുക. ഒന്നുമില്ല എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞതിന് പകരം നത്തിങ് റോങ്, എന്നിൽ ഒരു കുഴപ്പവുമില്ല, ബിലീവ് മീ, എന്നെ വിശ്വസിക്കൂ. ഹെഡേക്ക്, കം ലെറ്റ്സ് ഗോ ആൻഡ് സീ എ ഡോക്ടർ. So he told that if you are suffering from headache, you come with me, let us go and see a doctor. I have no headache, I am my usual self. He told that I am not suffering from any headache, I am in my usual state, means sadharana പോലെയാണ്. I went through the same thing when the process of choosing a girl for me was going on. So he also went through he told that I went through the same thing. നീ ഇപ്പോൾ അനുഭവിക്കുന്ന അതേ സംഭവങ്ങൾ, അതേ ഫീലിംഗ് I also experienced when I was going through the process of choosing a girl to marry. Narrator told, but I don't think that could be the reason for your present condition. He told that in your case it cannot be like that. Why? Because you are not going to get married. Ranga stared at me. Ranga enne thurichu nokki. Come, let's go and see Shastri, I suggested. He just told him that okay, if you don't want to go to the doctor, then let's go and meet the astrologer. We will ask him what is the problem. We will find out whether Guru and Shani are favorable for you or not. You see, people are there who just look at, go to the astrologer, because they are the people who believe in stars. At the time of our birth, which star is influencing our birth, accordingly we say that this star will influence our life also. അപ്പോൾ അസ്ട്രോളജേഴ്സ് ആ സ്റ്റാറിൻ്റെ പൊസിഷൻ നോക്കിയിട്ടാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഫ്യൂച്ചർ പ്രിഡിക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. സം പീപ്പിൾ ആർ ദെയർ, മാഗസീനൊക്കെ കിട്ടി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ വാരഫലം നോക്കുന്ന ആൾക്കാരുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൽ ഗുരു ആൻഡ് ശാനി രണ്ട് സ്റ്റാറാണ്. വെദർ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഫേവറബിൾ ഓർ നോട്ട്. ലെറ്റ്സ് ഗോ ടു ദ അസ്ട്രോളജർ. Ranga accompanied me without any protest because he is already having some tension in his mind. It is connected with Ragna, no doubt. So he just followed him without any protest. Doctor, he said, I don't want to go. But he went to the astrologer. As soon as Shastri saw me, he exclaimed, what a surprise, Shama. Haven't seen you for a long time. So when he went there, immediately the astrologer said, because അസ്ട്രോളജറിനോട് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്, ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളെ കണ്ടതായിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ ഭാവിക്കരുത്, ഞാൻ രാവിലെ വന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ കാര്യങ്ങൾ രംഗയോട് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞതായിട്ട് പറയരുത്. സോ ഹി വാസ് ജസ്റ്റ് ട്രൈങ് ടു മേക്ക് ഇറ്റ് വെരി ഒറിജിനൽ. സോ വെൻ ഹി മെറ്റ് ശ്യാമ, ശ്യാമ ഈസ് ദ നെയിം ഓഫ് ദ നരേറ്റർ. For the first time he is disclosing, because here you see Shama is none other than your servant, the narrator of the tale. അയാളുടെ പേര് ഇപ്പോഴാണ് പറയുന്നത്. ശ്യാമ എന്നുള്ളത് നരേറ്ററിൻ്റെ പേരാണ്. When this Shastri saw Shama, he told that haven't seen you for a long time. നിന്നെ കണ്ടിട്ട് കുറേ കാലമായില്ല. എപ്പോഴാണ് ശ്യാമയെ അസ്ട്രോളജർ ലാസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് കണ്ടത്? only this morning, രാവിലെ കണ്ടതാണ്. Then why did he say this? Because he wanted to hide that they made arrangement. I got angry and shouted, what? only this morning? അപ്പോൾ പെട്ടെന്ന് ശ്യാമയ്ക്ക് അരിശം വന്നു. And Shama said that only this morning. He wanted to say that ഇന്ന് രാവിലെയല്ലേ ഞാൻ വന്ന് കണ്ടത്. കാരണം അയാൾ പെട്ടെന്ന് മറന്നുപോയി. ബിക്കോസ് ഹി ഈസ് എ സിമ്പിൾ മാൻ, ഇലിറ്ററേറ്റ് മാൻ. ശാസ്ത്രി കംപ്ലീറ്റഡ് മൈ സെന്റൻസ്. You finished all your work and are now free to visit me. When Shama said only this morning, Shastri completed that sentence. Otherwise what happens? All their plan would have been spoiled. What Shastri completed? Only this morning you finished all your work and now you are free to visit me. രാവിലെയാണ് നീ പണികളെല്ലാം തീർത്ത് ഇപ്പോഴാണ് നീ ഫ്രീ ആയത്, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് വന്നതല്ലേ. Had he not done so, had the Shastri not done like this, I would have ruined our plan by bursting like grains that are kept in the sun to dry. You see, a lot of comparisons have been used here. He says that had the Shastri not interfered in between and corrected me, then all our plans could have been spoiled. How? Just like keeping the grain in the sun to dry, and when it is getting overheated, the grains will just break into, and then all inside ഗ്രെയിൻസ് വിൽ ഗോ ഔട്ട്. നമ്മൾ പയർ അതേമാതിരിയുള്ള സാധനങ്ങൾ വെയിലത്ത് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അത് ഉണങ്ങിക്കഴിഞ്ഞ് പൊട്ടിച്ചെടുക്കണം. പക്ഷേ കൂടുതൽ ഉണങ്ങിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പൊട്ടിത്തെറിച്ച് പുറത്തേക്ക് പോകും, പിന്നെ മണ്ണിൽ നിന്ന് വാരിയെടുക്കേണ്ടി വരും. അതേപോലെ all our plans could have been spoiled had Shastri not shown the presence of mind. I was extremely careful of what I said afterwards. After this, he says that I was very careful. Shastri turned to Ranga. So now he is talking to Ranga. He just turned to Ranga. When did the young son of our accountant clerk come home? He asked that, when did you come from Bangalore? What can I do for him? ഞാൻ ഇയാൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി എന്താണ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? It is very rarely that he visits us. He doesn't come and visit us very often, very rarely. വല്ലപ്പോഴേ വരാറുള്ളൂ. എന്താണ് ഞാൻ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? So the narrator told, take out your paraphernalia. Paraphernalia means equipments required for predicting the future. Our Rangappa seems to have something on his mind. Can you tell us what is worrying him? So the narrator says, Shama says that our Rangappa is having something in his mind. അവൻ്റെ മനസ്സിൽ എന്തോ വിഷമമുണ്ട്. അവനെ worry ചെയ്യുന്നത് എന്താണെന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പറയാൻ പറ്റുമോ? Shall you put your science astrology to test? നിങ്ങളുടെ സയൻസിന് എത്ര സ്ട്രെങ്ത് ഉണ്ടെന്ന് ഞാനൊന്ന് ടെസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കട്ടെ. Whether you are able to tell what he is thinking about with the help of your Shastra, astrology, I want to find out. There was authority in my voice. I spoke to Shastri, because why is showing authority? Already planned, already arranged. So he was speaking with authority to Shastri. He knew that definitely Shastri will listen to him, because already it was arranged in the morning. He took out 2 sheets of paper and cowries and book of Almaya leaves, saying, ours is an ancient science aya. I had equipments, I had a paraphernalia, whatever is required to predict his future. അവൻ്റെ മനസ്സിലുള്ളത് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാനായിട്ട് എന്തൊക്കെ ആവശ്യമുണ്ടോ ആ സാധനങ്ങൾ, കൗറീസ്, പിന്നെ പൽമായ ലീവ്സിലാണ് ശാസ്ത്രം എഴുതി വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്, അതെല്ലാം എടുത്തു. Then he told that ours is a very ancient science. ഒരു പഴയ സയൻസാണ് ഞങ്ങളുടേത്, തെളിഞ്ഞ സയൻസാണ്. There is a story to it. He says that there is a story about this astrology, but I won't tell you that story now. But he told that I am not going to tell you this story now. He says this is not a harikatha which allows you to tell a story within a story. You may get bored. I will tell it to you some other time. He says that it is not a harikatha. Harikatha means ഇവിടെ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത് എ ലോങ് സ്റ്റോറി. ഒരു വലിയ സ്റ്റോറിക്കകത്ത് ചെറിയ ചെറിയ സബ്പ്ലോട്ടുകൾ ഉണ്ടാവും. ഒരു സിനിമ നമ്മൾ 3 മണിക്കൂറിൻ്റെ കാണുമ്പം ഒരു ഫാമിലിയെ ചുറ്റിപ്പറ്റിയുള്ള ഒരു സ്റ്റോറി ആണെങ്കിൽ അതിൽ വേറെ പല ഫാമിലീസും ഉണ്ടാവും, ചെറിയ ചെറിയ കഥകൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. സോ he says that it's not a long story in which I can introduce a subplot, sub-story. Because if I introduce, you will get bored. He is speaking about already a story they are going to act out here, because everything is arranged by Ranka and Shastri. Shastri moved his lips fast as he counted on his fingers and then asked, "What is your star?" നിന്റെ നക്ഷത്രം എന്താണെന്ന് ചോദിച്ചു. Ranka didn't know. രംഗയ്ക്ക് നക്ഷത്രം അറിയില്ല. He said, "Never mind." നക്ഷത്രം അറിയത്തില്ല, പ്രശ്നമില്ല, അതിനും വഴിയുണ്ട്. Shastri indicated with the shake of his head. He did some more calculation before saying in a serious tone. കുറച്ചും കൂടെ കാൽക്കുലേഷൻ നടത്തി. നക്ഷത്രം അറിയാവോ? അറിയത്തില്ല. ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് അറിയാവോ? ചോദിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. ചിലപ്പോൾ അങ്ങനെ ചോദിക്കാറുണ്ട്. എന്തെങ്കിലും കിട്ടിയാൽ മതി, അവരതിൽ ബിൽഡപ്പ് ചെയ്യും. Now he says, after having done, without calculating also he can say, because Shama has already told him in the morning. അപ്പം ഒറിജിനാലിറ്റി ഫീൽ ചെയ്യാൻ, in order to make him feel that it's original, he just did some calculation. And then he said, it is about a girl. You are thinking about a girl. I had been controlling my laughter all this while, but now I burst out. I turned to Ranga exactly what I had said. So the narrator was controlling his laughter. Why he was controlling his laughter? Because it is already arranged everything. So he could not control his laughter. Now he burst out his laughter and then he turned Ranga. Exactly what I had said. ഞാൻ വിചാരിച്ച മാതിരി തന്നെ, ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ തന്നെ. Who is the girl? He is thinking about a girl. Who is the girl? Which girl ആണ് അവൻ്റെ മനസ്സിലുള്ളത്? It was your humble servant who asked the question. ആരാണ്? നരേറ്ററാണ് ശാസ്ത്രി. ഇത് ഏത് പെൺകുട്ടിയെക്കുറിച്ചാണ് ചിന്തിക്കുന്നത്? Shastri thought for a while before replying, and then he said, probably she has the name of something found in the ocean. അപ്പോൾ അയാൾ ഡയറക്റ്റായിട്ട് പേര് രത്ന എന്ന് പറയുന്നില്ല. അയാൾ പറഞ്ഞു വെള്ളത്തിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ, ഓഷനിൽ കാണുന്ന ഒരു സാധനത്തിൻ്റെ പേരാണ് കമല. മേ ബി കമലയാണോ എന്ന് ചോദിക്കുകയാണ്. ലോട്ടസ് ഫ്ലവർ ആണോ? ചിലപ്പോൾ ആയിരിക്കാം.